Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are good. So today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. I'm going to be doing like TikTok food hacks. I don't know if that's a thing, but I've been seeing a lot of like recipes to like follow on TikTok, and I thought why not try them out and film it for you guys. So today I'm going to be making the whipped coffee and I'm going to be making the French toast. I've done the whipped coffee before and it's so easy to do. I get a lot of people asking how do you get like the consistency. So I'm going to show you guys that. And the French toast I've never done before, so I'm going to do it for the first time today. Let's hope that goes well. And yeah, stay tuned guys. The French toast, you're going to need some bread, 1 egg, milk, butter, Nutella, cinnamon, what's this? Golden syrup, sugar, a bowl, strawberries or any type of fruits, berries, and a pan. Right, so I'm going to start off by just cutting the sides of the bread. So once you cut the bread, you kind of just want to like, I don't have a roller, but you want to make it flat basically. So once you got that, you want to get Nutella and pretty much spread it. This on its own will be pain, by the way. I love Nutella. Right, so once you have that, you want to start rolling them just like that. And then you're going to want to put the egg in there. 1 tablespoon of sugar and a dash of milk. Ooh, that's not a dash. And you want to mix it in. Obviously I put the egg, the milk and the sugar, and then this is rolled up, and then I'm going to dip it in and then I'm going to fry it. So whilst I wait for the pan to heat up, I'm just going to prepare the cinnamon and sugar. I'll put like 2 tablespoons of each. Oh, that's a bit much. Alright guys, so once obviously it's fried, you're gonna grab it and then you're gonna put it in there and then soak it up. Just add some strawberries, and then obviously you can add some syrup, or you can add like chocolate syrup, whatever you want on top. Oh my god. That looks amazing. Hope to try it. Okay, so for the whipped coffee, you're gonna need any coffee, as long as it's like coffee. Don't use the like instant packet ones. I've tried that and it didn't really work. Sugar, whatever milk you drink, ice cubes, cut bowl, and I'm using a fork because I don't have a whisk. But if you have a whisk, do use that. Or if you have an electric whisk, then great for you. But this is how I make it. And obviously boil some water in the kettle and make sure that it's boiling hot. And then you're just gonna want to whisk. So that's the whipped coffee. I've just added a bit of caramel syrup. And that, guys, is how you make French toast and whipped coffee. And literally, I learnt this on TikTok. It's taste test. So if you didn't know, you actually have to mix it in order to like drink it. You can't just drink it the way it is. Beautiful. Oh my god. I'm gonna try the French toast. I'm kind of scared. Wow. I'm not even exaggerating, guys. Like this. Wow. I'm gonna start making this more often. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you try it out. If you do, DM me, let me know, send me your pictures. I want to see. And of course, the usual, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you ain't got foreign, then she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu, spending daddy's money with an attitude.